All your ebooks and all other kinds of documents you have on your Kindle are ultimately also stored in the Amazon cloud. There might be several occasions when you don't want certain content to remain anywhere, not even in the cloud. One such occasion could be when you want to give your device to a family member or a friend without deregistering the Kindle from your Amazon account. Because as soon as you deregister the device, the content connected to your Amazon account will not be available anymore on the Kindle. To delete any content for good, go to the My Kindle area on your Amazon website. For the US, you can enter amazon.com/myk. For Germany, it is amazon.de/myk. Same logic for any other country. In the content section, find the content you want to delete, then open the Actions menu and click Delete. You will be informed that the item will be completely deleted and then it is really gone.